Yes, I know. I'm on my way. Okay, bye. Gotta take this train. Yeah, I'm in the station. Just gotta wait for the train now, so I'm just gonna sit until the train comes. There is a train approaching 57th Avenue. There's the train. Beep. This is the train to 148th Street. The next stop is 68th Avenue. This is 68th Avenue. The next stop is 48th Street. Well, looks like I'm on my way to the party now. What's up, guys? It's Joshua here. Today, you already know that I made this R32 subway car. Yeah, but I added wheels. See, look, I added wheels. And this play was just with wheels. It can actually move now. So how I made the wheels is that I took a box and I cut it in little tiny pieces like that, like little squares, and then I already bought some wheels on Amazon. Then I cut out some straw to make the wheels move along with the middle pipe. And yeah, that's how it works. No, it's wrong way. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not moving this by hand. It's really smooth. These wheels I got are really smooth. Usually, Amazon usually makes a mistake and makes them really rough and stuff and misshaved, but these wheels are really smooth. Yeah, guys, that's all I wanted to show you. Hope you enjoyed the little play I made. If you did, please like and subscribe, and hopefully you like the thing I did in the underneath. The wheels, I really like it. It's not too high, not too low, just right. Yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel. And that's all I got to say for now. And I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.